Hey tech fans, want a laptop that's powerful, eco-friendly, and lets you swap parts like Lego? This is GadInsider, and today we're diving into the 2025 Framework Laptop 13 with AMD Ryzen AI 300. Stick around to see why this modular marvel is a game changer. The Framework Laptop 13 just got a major upgrade with AMD's Ryzen AI 300 chipset, keeping its repairable, upgradable design that's perfect for DIY nerds and eco-warriors. But is it worth the hype? Let's find out. The 2025 Framework Laptop 13 is the 7th iteration of this modular masterpiece, and it's powered by AMD Ryzen AI 300 series chips. You've got options: the Ryzen AI 5340 for budget builds, the Ryzen AI 7350 for balanced performance, or the beastly Ryzen AI 9 HX 370 with 12 cores for power users. PC Mag calls it the best yet, with snappy performance and long battery life. What makes Framework special? Modularity. You can swap out the CPU, RAM, storage, even the keyboard or bezel with just a screwdriver. It supports up to 96 GB of DDR5 RAM and 8 TB of storage. The Verge raves: if you value repairability, there's no competition. This laptop's a tinkerer's dream. 4 expansion card slots let you pick your ports: USB-C, HDMI, Ethernet, you name it. New for 2025, Wi-Fi 7, a revamped thermal system, and a quieter keyboard that won't rattle during your music sessions. You can even jazz it up with translucent bezels for that retro Game Boy vibe. The 2.8K 120Hz display is a stunner, perfect for work or casual gaming, with the Ryzen AI 9's integrated Radeon 890M GPU hitting 50-60 FPS in games like Fortnite. Framework's all about sustainability, with 75% recycled aluminum and a marketplace full of replacement parts. This laptop fights e-waste like no other. PC Gamer calls it the ultimate version for repair enthusiasts. Who's this for? If you love customizing your tech, hate planned obsolescence, or want a laptop that grows with you, the Framework 13 is your match. It's great for students, coders, or gamers on a budget, though Tom's Hardware notes battery life lags behind competitors like the Dell XPS 13. Engadget says it's not earth-shattering, but perfect for Framework fans. That's the 2025 Framework Laptop 13. Powerful, modular, and built to last. Would you go DIY or grab a pre-built? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech goodness from GadInsider.